A short meditation can change your mood, your day, and even your life. Sit back, settle in, and join me now. With this special form of meditation, you will learn to breathe from the belly, which means using your stomach muscles and diaphragm for a deeper breath. This simple practice has been known to reduce heart rate and stress levels, as it induces feelings of tranquility by controlling your breathing speed. Strengthened with regular practice, this technique can help maintain mental clarity in life's most challenging moments. Find a comfortable place to lie down, the bed, the floor. Put a pillow underneath your head and underneath your knees if you choose. Put one hand on your chest and one hand on your stomach beneath your ribs. Take a slow inhale through your nose, allowing your lungs to fill with air and your stomach to press upward. Try to keep your hands as still as possible. Slowly exhale through your mouth as your stomach lowers. Repeat your breathing for 3 to 5 minutes. In through your nose, allowing your lungs to fill all the way and your stomach to press up, and slowly exhale through your mouth with your hand on your chest and one on your stomach. Again, in through your nose and out through your mouth. This type of breathing encourages full oxygen exchange, improves cognition, lowers cortisol levels, the stress hormone, and can lower blood pressure.